Now I'm going to pop on the charger. Now I've retightened the 4 studs in the back engine mount there on the gearbox there side, and we got the oil filter out of the way there. So next step, we put on the oil pressure switch and the knob center wires, and we just take the oil filter off there, keep it off here, and gives you better access here to get the wee bits and bobs. So we'll put our wee brackets and wires and pipes there now. Heater hose to go on here at the back. Jump on our wires and tubes here, whatever else to go in, and the crank sensor wire hooked up. So we'll start wiring now from this end to the back end, and we'll hook on our wires from this end, and then we'll take them right back across the top of the engine over towards the starter, and we'll finish the alternator. And this is our next operation on our engine swap on our Honda, and we'll put an exhaust in last. Now I have new motor back in, other pipes and wires and hoses and radiators, everything on. And I'll give it a wee check of the key.